Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Cynthia. Today's video we are going to tackle a DIY project, and this is going to be like a budget and renter friendly project that you can do. I'm not much of a DIY person, but I had this idea in my head. I mentioned it to my husband the other day and he was on board with it, so we went for it. So the only thing that I did was take down my doors from the cabinets behind me. I know that you can see like dishes and stuff like that. He took off the doors a couple of days ago and I just threw everything back on there just because I needed the counter space and I needed to figure out how I wanted to decorate everything. I don't have like a clear vision in my head. I just know I don't want it cluttered, but I have a lot of stuff, so I'm afraid that I might go overboard, but we'll see. We are going to start off with the cabinet that I have here, and I'll show you guys a whole overview of what it looks like before we get started. But there's like a little cabinet here that's kind of weird. There's no shelves in there. I'm going to start there and hopefully that inspires me to decorate the rest. So let me just stop talking and show you guys what I have to work with.
So this is a picture of what my cabinets looked like before we took down the doors. The only thing my husband did was grab a drill and the doors just popped right out. And this is what it looks like now with nothing on there except for those wine glasses up there, which I end up taking down later. But as you can see, I had a lot of junk up there. This open shelf project worked out perfectly for me because in all honesty, I wasn't using the cabinets the way I should have. These are the dishes that I had left over and I still went through these later and took a lot of them out. We just threw like random stuff in there. We had our medicine cabinet in there. We had papers that like important papers that we threw in there. I ended up finding a home for all of that. So it worked out perfect for me. So now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. As you can see, I have a lot of shelves to work with, but this is the cabinet that I was talking about earlier. There's no shelves there, but I do have an idea of what I want. So this is everything that I plan to use in this little area here. I got this mirror from Target and this vase here is from Marshall's. I also picked up those stems from Amazon and those cookbooks are all from Target, I believe. But yeah, I am just going to start adding everything on there. I decided to add some cookbooks there because I felt it would go with the rest of the kitchen. I'm also missing a piece that I purchased off of Etsy. It still hasn't got here, so hopefully it's here before I upload this video. That way I can show you guys what it looks like all together.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave.
Well, now that we're done with that little area, we are going to move on over to this side. And the only thing that I did was kind of categorize everything that I was planning on using up there, like my vases, and I had dishes. I also had a little area for the stuff that I plan to use just like decor wise, and of course my jars that I plan on putting up there and things like that. I kind of just made it easier for me.
Everything behind, if you wanted to. Promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels. just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you have mine. You and I wanna leave everything.
I do end up taking down that plant towards the end. Something about it was throwing me off. I don't know, I just wasn't liking it for some reason.
If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You.
All right, so here I am just moving things back and forth. I'm just trying to see what works best for me. After I finished putting everything up, I had about 2 days with the decor this way, and right away I knew that I had to change a couple stuff around. So towards the end, you will see that I added some stuff and I moved a lot of the containers to the other side, but you'll see that towards the end.
You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I wasn't meant up.
So I ended up adding some salt to this little pot here. My original plan was to actually put it next to my stove. So I think either I might take the salt out and put it in a different container, or I'll just move that little pot next to the stove.
Man of my own will. It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear. Cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home. But should it be like this? Locked up in your dome. You know I fight for you. But do
So this is the final look. I am super happy with the way everything turned out. After about 2 days of playing around with everything, I feel that this is the most functional way for me, at least. And it was such a easy yet free project that anyone can do, whether you're a renter or you're a homeowner. All you really need is a drill or even a screwdriver, and you have yourself some open shelves.
in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder, how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realize they're all your friends. Is this who I am?
Okay guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I really do hope that you enjoyed it and got some type of inspiration or maybe some ideas to revamp your kitchen. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. After a couple of days, I started realizing that I needed to switch the containers to the other side because they were kind of hard to reach. But let me know what you think. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.
Friends, is this who I am? You see me running around in circles.